Everybody's hunting for a secret slash goal button in ChatGPT that makes it 10 times smarter. It doesn't exist, but 2 sentences do the same thing. Watch. Ask AI once, it grabs the first okay answer and stops. It never checks its own work. The fix? Give it a goal, then make it loop. No slash commands, nothing to install. You just say it in plain English. Let me prove it 3 times, small to big. Want a cold email? Ask the normal way, and you get the same tired lines everybody sends. I hope this finds you well, that nobody ever answers. Same free account, but with a goal and a loop. It critiques its own draft and rewrites it into something people actually reply to. Your weak resume line? Goal and loop makes it stop and ask for your one real number, then writes the bullet that lands interviews. The pro move nobody uses. Make the AI grade its own work, rewrite 3 times, and hand you only the winner. A whole brainstorm, free. This works in ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, anywhere you type. Here are your 2 magic sentences. Screenshot this. No magic button, just a goal and a loop. I'm the AI Explorer, testing this stuff so you don't have to. New tip every week. Subscribe.